How to understand personal injury law in our state? Being by introducing the importance of understanding personal injury law in our state, explain that personal injury law varies significantly from a state to a state, and understanding them is crucial for protecting your right after an accident. Mention that while the basics are similar, each state has its own rule regarding negligence, a statute of limitation, and compensation. Understand negligence law in our state. Discuss the concept of negligence, which is central to most personal injury cases. Explain how in some state the person at fault must be found to be negligent, careless, reckless, or failing to exercise reasonable care. Mention that some states follow comparative negligence, which means if you are partially at fault, your compensation may be reduced proportionally. Contrast this with contributory negligence, a state where even a small amount of fault can bar recovery entirely. Research the statute of limitation. Define the statute of limitation, the time period within which you can file a personal injury lawsuit after the accident. Explain how the statute of limitation vary by a state ranging from 1 to several years. Stress the importance of knowing your state statute of limitation to avoid missing the deadline and losing the right to file a claim. Know the type of personal injury case recognized in your state. Explain that different states may handle various type of personal injury claim differently. Example: car accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice. Some state may have a specific law or cap on damage for certain type of claim, such as medical malpractice or wrongful death. Advise that it is important to identify the type of personal injury case that apply to your situation. Learn about damage cap and compensation. Discuss damage cap limits on compensation in personal injury case which exist in some state. Explain that these caps may apply to economic damage, example medical bills, or non-economic damage, example pain and suffering. Advice on understanding how these gaps can impact the value of your case depending on your state law. Research a state a specific insurance law. Explain the role of insurance in personal injury claim and how it is governed by a state law. Highlight that some states require driver to carry certain minimum level of insurance, which other may have no fault insurance system, where you seek compensation from your own insurance company regardless of fault. Discuss the role of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage and how a state law can affect your claim. Understand the legal process in your state. Talk about the step involved in filing a personal injury lawsuit in your state, including pre-trial motions, discovery, and settlement negotiation. Some states may favor mediation or arbitration before allowing a lawsuit to proceed to trial. Mention that a state law may also differ regarding attorney fee, so it is important to know if lawyer in your state work on a contingency fee basis or if hourly rate are common. Consult with a local personal injury attorney. Stress the importance of consulting with a personal injury attorney in your state, as they will have the most knowing about local law. Discuss how attorney will guide you through the claim process, ensuring that you adhere to all relevant deadlines and pro- procedural requirement. Explain how an attorney can help you understanding your right and the best course of action based on your specific case. Stay updated on legal. Mention that law and regulation can change and staying informed is key. Advise that checking local news, legal blogs, or your attorney updates can help you stay on top of any chance that might affect your case. Encourage individuals to take the time to research and seek legal advice to protect their right and maximizing their compensation. Thanks for watching this video.